Welcome to Skytech Systems India Private Limited. Skytech Systems is a proven leading analytical instrumentation company based at Thane with pan-India presence. Skytech was incorporated with an aim to provide top-of-the-line instrumentation along with quality services and application support to our valued customers. We provide high-end quality analytical systems with contemporary technologies to bring value to QA, QC, R&D, pharma, validation, process development and safety. We have served more than 2,500 customers over the past 3 decades. Skytech is a professional organization with compliance to ISO 9001. We have dedicated pan-India team for sales and service support with an application and testing lab managed by experts. Our services have been widely appreciated by several customers in India. We conduct technical workshops, trainings at our head office and also at the customer sites. Skytech Systems provide expertise through the products, services related to the following areas: TOC analyzers, online and offline of Beckman Coulter Life Sciences from USA, thermal validation systems, wireless temperature and RF loggers, cold chain loggers, temperature baths of KE from USA, potentiometric Carl Fischer titrators of SI Analytics, a Xylem brand from Germany, dissolution systems of Richtec from Germany, water purification systems Type 1 and Type 2 of Thermo Fisher Scientific from Singapore, trace elemental analyzer, combustion ion chromatograph, moisture analyzer of Nitosico Analtech from Japan, Flash Smart CHNSO analyzer of Thermo Fisher Scientific from Italy, total organic carbon analyzer of OI Analytical, a Xylem brand from Texas, USA, atomic adsorption spectrophotometer, UV visible spectrophotometer, ICP TOF of GBC Scientific Private Limited from Australia, parallel synthesizer, automated jacketed lab reactors, thermal screening unit, adiabatic and reaction calorimeter, continuous flow reactor of HEL from UK, simulation software of Visimix from Israel and of DOE from Switzerland, CRMs and consumables of Santis Analytical from Switzerland, Aquamicron from Japan and Altus Science from UK. Along with this, we also provide testing and rental services. Our rental services include complete on-site validation activity. For more information on the instruments, please visit www.skytechindia.com or email us on marketing@skytechindia.com. We are just a call away from you. Call us on 9323 200 808. Follow us on LinkedIn for more updates. Thank you.